The next kanji is yo, yo, which means sun or positive. We got the first one is yoshi, yoshi, the plus child, the plus small substance, the plus charge of things is the proton. You also got this word taiyo, taiyo, which means sun. Yeah, you have learned this before in Japanese classes. Taiyo. This one is interesting. Yo ion, yo ion. Okay, yo means positive and ion means ion. So yo ion means cation, cation, the positive ion. Okay, yo ion, cation. The next one is dem, dem, which means electricity. The first one is denshi, denshi. The small substance that contains the electricity is an electron. The next one is denki, denki. Ki means aura, yeah, like aura. So you got electricity in general, denki. This one is interesting. This one is denchi, denchi. So here, chi means pond. Yeah, if you got a garden, you have a fish inside the pond, that's a pond. Okay, denchi. So denchi is the pond of electricity, the place where you store electricity, which is a battery. Okay, denshi, denki, denchi. The next kanji is chu, or onyomi is naka, which means middle. Okay, this one is easy kanji. You can start with chuseishi, chuseishi. Okay, sei means the character. So chusei means normal character or neutral, while the stuff, the small stuff that has neutral character is a neutron. Okay, so we've got proton, electron, and this one is neutron, chuseishi. So chusei means neutral. For example, if you have acid and base stuff, yeah, acidic, base, basic. So neutral is not acid, not acidic, not acid, not basic. Neutral, chusei. This one is chuwa, chuwa. Wa here means harmony. So chuwa means neutralization. If you put base into acid, you have chuwa reaction, neutralization reaction. Okay. So this one is sei. Sei means character. Chuseishi means neutron, and chusei means neutral. The other one we got seishitsu, seishitsu. Okay, so shitsu means quality. So the quality of the character, we can say the property. Okay, so for example, if it conducts electricity, it conducts heat. What is the seishitsu? What is the property of the thing? The next one is bang, bang. This one is order. The first one, the second one, the third one, the order of things. So bango, bango. Bango means number. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1番, 2番, 3番. Okay, bango. So we put bango in this kanji, genshi bango, the number of atom, which means atomic number. Okay, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium is 2, lithium is 3, and so on. ichibang means number 1. Okay, so you put ichibang, nibang, 3bang, 4bang, 5bang, 6bang, 7bang, 8bang, 9bang, 10bang.